Hi everybody, welcome to Max's Lecture. Today we've got another technical unboxing. Well, hopefully the boxing is not too untechnical, but what we got here is a iPhone watch. Yes, this is kind of unexpected, but wow. We've got a new iPhone Series 6 in the blue. I don't know if you can, let's come out there. But yeah, so I'm not, let's just get into the unboxing. So I'm just going to change the camera. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, hey. Okay, so of course it actually feels really quite, I'm not going to say heavy, but certainly pretty solid. So obviously always a good sign of packaging. So you've got this bit here. Let's slide that off. Oh, as I say, this came in the blue. Well, this one should be in the blue. So if you're on the Apple unpackaging, I don't know if you know, but you've got bits up here you can use to undo, of course, to unwrap. So I'm just going to hold the camera up here to unwrap it. There we go. Let's take it around here. So there's the blue. So we've got the two bits. You've got the watch and the strap. So yeah, okay, so I'm just going to put the camera back over here while we take a look at each bit. So the watch itself, whoop, be gentle. Got a little blue case with the head in. Got this bit here, I'll get to that in a minute. Now these new ones don't come with plug-ins, well, with plugs. Of course you do have the USB charger into the bit to charge the wall. You just don't get the plug, but to be honest, so many things are USB charged, and you can get adapters and all sorts anyway now. So of course here's the main bit that we're here for. Of course it's quite sturdy, so let's slide it out. Gently does it. Ooh. The first thing I got was the back, which has got the additional sensors for the blood oxygen monitoring. Of course there's the front. I don't know if you can see the blue so well, but yeah, that is a nice blue. It's a really dark blue. I like that. It's a nice blue. I went for the blue because I thought it was elegant. I like the red, but I just thought it'd stand out so much. And of course better than the black. A bit more decorative. Nothing wrong with the black, of course. The only Apple Watch I've ever had in the past was Apple Watch Series 1, and I actually got that second hand, and I really liked it, but it got broke. But anyway, oh, sad things. And I waited, that happened a few months ago, and I waited knowing that this one could be coming out rather than rushing out. So here's the strap. Let's how do we get in the strap? Got something over here by the looks of it. Right, pull down there. There we go. Open that up. Slide that open. This is the sports band. There we go. Go that way round. So it's all that way round. So you've got two different sizes. Of course, I think we've all seen these pretty much before. I don't know if I can get a bit better light onto the blue by doing that. And extra light on there. But yeah, so there we go. That's the Apple Watch 6. It's kind of an extra video. Unexpected. But yeah, if you want me to do a little review a week or two down the line, see how I'm getting on with it, let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care.